can't.
Oh yeah, talk out now. You feel use your mom make money.
Now, Bobby be this, Bobby speech I'm doing to Bobby. I feel use my mom for do money.
You feel use your mom for do money.
Because I go use and do money with pleasure and satisfaction without not even thinking back.
So what about if your mom cried and said, please don't use me make money?
Now my verse you can wear in that.
You go choke your mama well. And you go die.
My bros money, don't talk about money. They tell this.
So
give me the content. I don't say they talk.
So if they call say okay, but now you go spend only 3 months. You go enjoy the money only 3 months.
I'm happy with that, man, bro.
You go stay with that 3 months and die without money.
No problem.
Okay, what about your papa? You feel kill your papa make money?
That's the most simple. That one I go even happy pass.
You go happy pass. Say how you go take kill your papa so?
Anyway, they tell me that if na mirror I go to next time I go buy and bread, give am a job. He go drop die now.
He go shop die.
Money go come now.
Now your papa be that too. Now your papa you dey talk about so. You don't give a fuck about your dad.
My father give a fuck about me, he would have also wait for me now.
Eh?
Well, my father give a fuck about me, he would also wait for me. So I don't give a fuck about him.
You don't give a fuck about your dad.
That was the reason why.
And you don't give a fuck about your mom.
I don't give a fuck about
You feel carry your mom make money as in
straight, man.
kill your mama.
Bro, I'm not going to waste time. Less than 30 minutes. Put it all over the world, man. But I don't give a fuck.
You feel kill your own blood.
Boss, I won't think twice, boss. Right now, I won't think twice. Nobody spend this world to me, man, bro. Anybody can go down for now. When you come to money.
Okay, like now me and you were good friends. I like you a lot. You feel carry me make money.
Boss, I won't think it twice, man, bro.
Me?
Yeah, sure. I'm sorry that I will do that. But I want to settle your family.
You settle my family.
Sure, yeah, sure.
God forbid. Now you go die. Yeah?